The restoration of the Zhongshan kingdom refers to the event in which Duke Huan of Zhongshan restored the political power of the Zhongshan kingdom during the Warring States period. The background of this event was that in 408 BC, Duke Wen of Wei sent Lao Yang to lead an army to cross over the state of Zhao and destroy the Zhongshan kingdom. After 3 years of fighting, the Zhongshan kingdom was finally destroyed in 406 BC after the destruction of the Zhongshan kingdom. Duke Wen of Wei sent Prince Ji, who was later succeeded by his younger brother Zi and Li Kui, to govern Zhongshan, promoting the spread of culture and economic development in the Central Plains. However, due to the obstruction of the state of Zhao, Wei's control over Zhongshan was weak. Around 380 BC, Duke Huan of Zhongshan took advantage of the chaos among the vassal states of Wei to restore the Zhongshan kingdom, and with the support of the state of Qi, moved the capital to Lingshu, now Pingshan County, Hebei Province. After the restoration, the territory of the Zhongshan kingdom expanded to 500 li square, and through the construction of the Great Wall to resist the attacks of the state of Zhao, its handicraft industry reached the scale of a country with 1,000 chariots, but was eventually destroyed by King Jimin of Zhao in 296 BC during the destruction of the Zhongshan kingdom. Wei governed the Zhongshan region, enabling local residents to live and work in peace, strengthening the exchanges between Zhongshan and the Central Plain states and promoting local economic and cultural development. However, due to the obstruction of the state of Zhao, Wei was unable to effectively control the Zhongshan region. Duke Huan of Zhongshan seized the opportunity of the chaos among the vassal states of Wei to restore the Zhongshan kingdom, and took a series of measures to develop the Zhongshan kingdom, but ultimately still could not escape the fate of being destroyed.